Managing Amazon seller communications can be time-consuming and complex. FeedbackWhiz email simplifies this by automating your review requests and buyer communications, while also encouraging you to stay compliant with Amazon's policies. Our powerful tool lets you create customized email campaigns or automate Amazon's request a review button, helping you boost your seller feedback and product reviews without the manual work. Let's explore how this works. Once you're logged into FeedbackWhiz, navigate to the Campaigns tab and go to the Campaign Manager. The interface is designed for efficiency. You can quickly see the two campaign creation options, activate campaigns, and review campaign analytics. The campaign dashboard shows the campaign statistics at a glance, how many emails have been sent and queued. You'll also see your stats graph and queue graph easily accessible from the sidebar. Setting up is straightforward. Connect your Amazon Seller Central account, determine which campaign type you prefer, and you're ready to create your first campaign. Let's walk through creating an effective review request campaign. You'll start by choosing between two approaches. This automates Amazon's built-in review request button, and it's absolutely TOS compliant. Simply select this option, choose your product by ASIN or SKU, and set your timing. And that can be anywhere from 5 to 30 days after delivery. The tool automatically translates requests to your buyer's preferred language and includes their name for personalization. For more brand control, create a custom email using the terms of service compliant pre-built templates or build your own. You can add your logo, customize the subject line, and craft messaging in your brand voice, following the terms of service guidelines to ensure compliance. You can even target specific buyer segments like repeat customers and include attachments if needed. For both options, set up smart exclusions to protect your reputation. That means you can automatically exclude orders with refunds, returns, or existing feedback. You can also backlist specific buyers or orders. Once configured, your campaign runs automatically, sending requests at optimal times while respecting Amazon's one request per order policy. The analytics show exactly how many requests have been sent with your campaigns during a given time frame. The campaign queue page provides full visibility for when requests will be sent. With FeedbackWhiz, you're not just automating feedback, but you're creating a system that allows you to communicate with your sellers and saves time with getting requests. If you'd like to learn more about Seller 365 products, remember to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching.